Okay, first check out this. If I open my terminal and type Claude and hit enter, then select yes. Here you can see I am using Claude 4.8, but guess what? And now if I type /model, here you can see all old and latest model of Claude 4.8, Fable 5, Sonnet. And yes, I am using it completely free and you also can do it. So now if I select the model Fable 5 and type just hi and hit enter, so it's basically takes some time, and as you can see it's responding perfectly. Now let me show you one another thing. Okay, let me open another terminal, and here if I type Claude, or simply in my previous terminal if I type /resume and hit enter, here you can see my all previous project that I have already done, and I am using this all Claude model about 2 to 3 months for my semester exam and other personal work. And this is my tech channel Krishna, and here I am uploading all top AI models free setup. And in this video I talked about how you can claim 30 million free token per day, and it's completely free, you can check out. And yes, it will be completely free, so please like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you facing any 1% issue in this setup, you can comment, I will definitely check out. So first come to this website, free model, and then just simply sign up with your Google or Gmail account. And one more thing, before set up this process in your own laptop, first watch this video full till the end, and I guaranteed you at the end of this video also you can run this all model in your own computer or laptop. Okay, my this Google account is not working, so simply I just open a new browser and search for free model, and here select this model. Okay, select this website and sign up with your Google or Gmail account. After sign up, you can see this type of page. Here as you can see it's showing three options: one mobile verification, second Telegram, or you can buy API key, but we are going to use it completely free, so we choose Telegram options. Click on it, and if you don't have Telegram in your laptop, so you can just scan this QR and verify your Telegram via mobile. But I have Telegram in my laptop, so I just opened it, and here as you can see I have already verified it in my other account. So just come in Telegram and select start button, and it will automatically verify your Google accounts or Gmail account. And after verification just come back to the free model website. And now let me show you my account that I have already verified, and this is my verified account, and make sure it's showing this blue tick option in your account. Okay, after successfully verification you can see this is a pro member account. But remember one thing, if you newly sign up in this website, also here it will show pro, but for enable this pro feature you have to verify with your Telegram account. And as you can see I am already using this API key for my Claude models, and trust me it's completely free. Now for setup this, just come to this doc page, and here after scrolling down you can see the installation process. So from here watch the video very carefully. Now for setup it you need node.js or git. So if you already installed it, that's okay, and if you don't have it, don't worry. Simply click on this download link and it will automatically redirect you to this main git page. Now in this git page first choose your device and then scroll down. Here you can see the download option, simply you can click on it and download it, but I am not downloading it now because I have already downloaded it in my device. So after downloading this git, come back to this previous page of free model, and now we have to download node.js. So for download it we simply copy this node.js. Okay, before download this node.js you can check it's already installed in your device or not. So just copy this terminal prompt and open your terminal. Okay, simply I open my terminal and create a new terminal. Now paste it and hit enter, and if it's show any version number which is greater than 18, that's mean it's already downloaded. And if it's not showing it, just come back to this website and copy this node.js and open a new browser and search it. Here you can see node.js, just click on it, and here you can simply click on this git page. And so first choose your device and then scroll down, and here you can see the download button, so you can directly download it from here. And if you're facing any problem, just comment. And also you can open this page, directly click on this link. Now after downloading git and node.js, let's come to this create an API option. So basically we are now going to create a free API. Simply click on this API key option, and here as you can see I have already created two API, but don't worry, I am going to show you the full process. Click on this create API option and then enter any name or number and create key. Now copy this key, so make sure you save this key. So I just open my notepad, and now for saving this API key, paste it here. We are going to use this API in our Claude Code. So after saving it, just come back and click done, I save it. Now again come back to the docs page. Now you have to install the main Claude Code, so just copy this command And after download this Claude Code, we are going to use this setting.json file. And one another important thing, if you facing some problem in setup, you can simply take a screenshot and upload the screenshot in Gemini so that you can find out your small mistakes. Now paste it here and hit enter. It will automatically download Claude Code, but I have already downloaded it, so now I am not downloading. And after downloading, it will automatically place the files in your folder. Now after downloading, come back to the website. After downloading the Claude Code, we have to add the API key in this setting.json file. So you can just copy it and add your API key in Notepad, or you can directly add this API key in main Claude Code. So now what's the next process? Very carefully. Okay, now open your file explorer and here come to this PC and open drive C. Here you can see the user file. Click on it and I am opening this file. Here you can find .claude and click open it, and here you can see the setting.json file. And remember one thing, the file name user and .claude will be same for every device. So basically after downloading the Claude Code, you can check out where it load. Now you have to edit the system environment, so just open your search bar and click on it. Now click on this environment setting and then find the path option. So if you scroll down, you can see a path option, just click on it. And here check if node.js or git already added in path or not. And if it's not added, so just copy the path from the file and add these two paths as I am doing. So simply I just copy this node.js path, create new and then paste it. Next I am doing the same process for this git path. And after all of this, just click on OK, then again click on OK. And now we successfully set the environment. So now we are going to open our setting.json file. So just click on this PC, select user, then Krishna and search for .claude and click on it. And after opening this .claude file, we can see our setting.json file, and just ignore all of these files. And now we need VS Code for edit this file. So basically you can download it from your browser. So open your browser and search for VS Code. And click on this website. Here as you can see, you can download it from here, and I am not gonna show you how you can download it. Now simply come back to the page and open this file with your VS Code. Simply right click on it and then select VS Code. It will open this file in VS Code, and here you can see the setting.json file. And one more thing, this is not the same setting.json file that given in this website. I have updated the setting.json file for using Fable 5. So you can use normal setting.json file that is given in website, but if you want this code, you have to join my Telegram channel, and here I have already uploaded this, because in the given setting.json file from this website, here the Fable 5 model is not added. So you have to add this Fable 5 model manually. Now open your notepad and copy this API key. After copy this API key, open your setting.json file, and here as you can see I am already using a API key, but for showing you I replace this API key. And after replace this API key, we have done our main task. And I repeat, if you want to this Fable 5 model, you have to change this code with my given Telegram code, or you can directly add this code from this video. So come back to the website, and as you can see we have done all our setup. Now simply copy the command for launch the Claude Code, and then open your terminal and paste it here. Hit enter, then select yes and select yes. And now as you can see our Claude Code is running. Here you can see the Fable 5 model is running now. So simply I just type hi, and as you can see it start response. So if you think this video is helpful, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. And after watching the full video, if you facing any 1% of issue, you can tell me in comment, and definitely I will reply you. And also you can set up this process directly through anti-gravity. So if you can't set up this process directly, just tell me and I will definitely make a video on how can set up this process by anti-gravity. So as you can see, now you can use all of these models completely free. And don't forget to update the setting.json file if you want to use Fable 5 also in this Claude Code. So that's it for this video. You can check out my others videos. And I know 90% of you not watching the video till now, and if you watching the video till now, thanks for watching.
Yo, fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. Christian on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the